All right, so this is going to be our local workstation. That this is what's on clip remover. This is a knock sensor. The seals for the distributor. We got some clips for a couple panels in the vehicle. So that'll go one side. So we're going to do that as well. We might do a different video for that. And then this is one of the temperature seal. I believe that this is the one that doesn't have a pigtail. And then this is another temperature sensor. I think this might be the fan sensor, but we'll see when I will take them off which one is which. And then this is the valve cover gasket seal and components. So this is going to take some time, along with the distributor seals as well is going to take some time. So we're going to jump into it, setting up, and then showing what is what. All right. So the very first thing we're going to do, disconnect the battery and get that out of the way so we can deal with the distributor, which is leaking oil at this moment. Oh, ton of oil just leak out. But that is the least at this moment in time. So I really don't want distributor cover to come with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unscrew it and I'm just going to take this part which has all of the seals on it, and we'll go repair it. And there you go. As you can see, absolutely full of oil. So we don't want oil going at distributor cause short so nothing and ruin any other components. That inner seal that you're seeing down there is what we're going to change along with this O-ring right here. And as you can see, somebody already tried to put silicone on it, but silicone not always fix everything. So we're going to start out this as best as we can and pull down the distributor. All right, so we'll be working down here. All right, got the two seals, the O-ring and the inner seal. Now it's just time to take apart all of the components inside the distributor so that we can have access to everything. All right, change out the door panel here, put in some better clips. Okay.